Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Watson Philippines.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, yung order dito is yung gummy vitamins, gummy bears. Tama ba? So, i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Hindi, wow.
So, maganda yung pagkaano guys, pagka-packaging kasi naka-bubble wrap. So, talagang safe yung items mo. So, ito yung guys, yung mga Celine from Unilab. Celine gummies. So, tingnan natin guys kung nakaselyo pa. So, guys, sealed pa siya guys. So, dalawa yung in-order ko kasi malakas yung anak ko sa vitamins na Celine gummies. Ayan guys, so sealed pa. So, guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.